This video will go over comments in JavaScript. So what a comment is basically just a piece of text that doesn't get executed by JavaScript or really any programming language. So let's say you have some function and it's kind of confusing. Turn something like this, right? Or maybe it's not clear what the function does. This is the perfect opportunity for comments. So what a comment is either two backslashes like this, or backslash asterisk, and then asterisk forward slash. Or I mean backslash, sorry. Now, either of these ways can make a comment, with this one being a single line comment and this one being a multi-line comment. Now, what a single line comment is, basically, write whatever you want here, and it won't get ran by the compiler. However, it's only for one line. This, you can write whatever you want, but it's contained between these two characters, I guess, I don't know. String of characters. So let me just show this. So nothing gets ran, and you can even do this will not run because it's in a comment. Same thing here. But if you remove the comment, then it'll run. Now let's go back to the example. What you could use comments for is to say, so this function just makes it so you can actually understand more what the code is doing, or maybe if you're working in a team and someone else doesn't know what your code does, just use that comment. And it also just allows for you to explain some details, like the default text for this function is text. So, if you were to debug this to try to fix this, you can see, okay, the default text is text. So, maybe you can make the default text apples or something. I don't know. Because that would make more sense for a function like this. But yeah, that's pretty much what functions do. They just allow you to write notes, I guess, in code. And none of the text in a function actually gets ran, but this allows you to explain stuff about your code. So yeah. Also, you can make a function as long as you want. Single line. or comment, sorry, not a function, not a function, a comment. Yeah. Sub if you want, like if you want.